Hello students, welcome back to AMERICOM. This is your teacher Joseph. Guys, today AMERICOM decided to show you a classic lesson, a grammar lesson actually. And you know, English grammar lesson, they are a little bit, hard, sometimes you got confused. So today we're gonna offer you this title here, 4 types of conditional sentences. Alright, so today we're gonna see how to use the 4 conditional in the English language, alright? So I recommend you guys that you stick with me on the board. They guarantee you that, you're gonna be fine with this lesson. You're gonna understand what it is. Actually, this is daily English. We use this type of lesson every day in our conversation. Alright, so it's so important for you to stick with me on the board and watch the video until the end. This lesson is so strategic, you know what I mean? So it has a lot of strategies in it. So we have to make sure that, we understand it, we know what it is. And to be on that standards, we have to make sure that we focus, alright? So let's focus on the board. Les gars, aujourd'hui, AMERICOM ngeje hone seni leçon ikamba ni yotambishano parfois. Na kama rumio hamaizi phrases tous les jours yotambishano aussi. They know regular conditionnel, right? So if clause, main clause, whatever. So this is the lesson. C'est ça la leçon qu'on va voir aujourd'hui. 4 types of conditional sentences. Jaroni namna ya rumia les 4 conditionnels. Tu understand? So na kama fanya bac, ça sera très mieux pour vous. Ungale leçon tampaka ikome parce que il faut y parler moi hono. À moi bac, alright? So toujours les conditionnels. Même à moi BBC, il faut se concentrer en fait. Alright, so let's go. So here we have 4 types of conditional sentences. So let's go. Here we have zero conditional. Zero conditional is conditional 0. Do you understand? So in the conditional 0 it's pretty much easy, right? So you're très facile. Use for present real factual situation. So nakanga rumia conditional 0 rumilwa haruma ndongo za kusudi, yani ndongo za kweli zikamba zihijiri, yani zihijiriu na kanongo yonefanishi haino yo hijiri. Do you understand? Donc yo rumilwa real factual. Alright? So nakaufanya yo hijiri. Do you understand? Alright, so there we go. Here we have a rule formulaire, alright? So here we have if clause égale simple present, main clause égale simple present. Ça veut dire, phrase vingao if yoka au présent simple, main clause yoka au présent simple. Alright, so let's see an example here. And the example here we have, if I drink coffee at night, I don't sleep well. So if I drink coffee at night, I don't sleep well. Nakatino coffee ukuhari, o masiku ekanga mlalo. Ekatino coffee, mitisu handro. Wamsongola la hausuru. Do you understand? Donc that's a real factual. That's the fact. Mwami heli yangu nakatino coffee, ukuhari wamsilando. Alright? If clause, present simple, main clause present simple. So like here, if I drink, to drink you, but so if I drink coffee at night, I don't sleep well. This is to do conjugué au présent simple à la forme négative, okay? I don't sleep well. Donc présent simple. Alright? So here we have first conditional. First conditional is the conditional 1. Alright? So my conditional 1 used for future real factual situation. Yorumilo harumano za future. Yeah, nongo za real factual, nongo za zikaomba mori de present, mori de yao juu, and nongo zoneshe yao, but no reality. Do you understand? Alright, so here we have a rule. If clause, yoka simple present, main clause, yoka simple future. Donc, if clause, phrasika hamai if yoka au présent simple, main clause yoka au futur simple. Do you understand? So here we have example, for example, if I see you with my daughter again, if I see you with my daughter again, so if I see you, I see tu conjugué au présent simple. How my main clause, I will call, right? I will call. So tu conjugué au futur simple. Donc if clause présent simple, main clause futur simple. So if I see you with my daughter again, right? So I will call the cops on you. I will call the cops on you. So I'm dealing to the police, who arrest, right? So police, cops, that's it, police. You understand my cops, that's it, American, you know what I mean? So là-bas, Nakango, California, Miami, you know what I'm saying? So you're like, oh, that's the cops, man. So cops, I will call the cops on you. So I'm dealing to the police. When we do police, we say cops, you know what I mean? So here we have second conditional. Second conditional, the wrong conditional true, alright? So here I have imaginary situation. Yani we imagine ndo we kamba ujojwa uifanya, alright? We imagine amba ujojwa uifanya. Donc here amwe formule, amwe rule formule na. If clause égale simple past, main clause égale would plus infinitive du verbe, okay? So nakanga fanya conditional true. Okay? If clause phrase vingo if yoka au passé simple, après main clause yoka would plus l'infinitive du verbe. Okay? Alright, so Leonard Gallet example here we have if I had money, so I had, ça c'est le verbe avoir conjugué au passé, right? So if I had money, si j'avais de l'argent, if I had money, na kaskana mapesa, I would help you with your school fees. Na kaskana mapesa ndio usaidie ekolaji yao ya likoli, unda ulibi. Right, mwanzano wangu jana ambia bako ngamna problemu, lazima ndena libe likoli ekolaji apre mapesa kaya tosha kaya timu, you know. Lazima ndena nkaze na libe, you know, like donc wanzawa nusaidie. So here we have, oh my God, I'm so sorry. If I had money na kaskana mapesa, I would help you with your school fees. Ndio usaidie amai ekolaji yao, do you understand? Donc if I had money, right? So I had, ça c'est le verbe avoir conjugué au passé simple. I would help, to help, okay? Would plus l'infinitive du verbe help. I would help. Alright? On avance. Here we have third conditional. Third conditional, de le rongo conditional 3. Conditional 3, na kangeri rumia oyoka hama imaginary situation. Toujours no weka mba imagine mba ujuifanya. Right? Situation kamba iliyo imaginary, yani ujujua ifanyishi ha. Alright? So here we have the formula. If clause, right? If clause, say no clause, right? So if clause égale past perfect, main clause égale would have plus past participle. Alright, so nakanga fanya conditional 3. Now para hame back exposons au conditional 3. Donc helikao if clause, alright? Yani phrase vinga if yoka au past perfect. Get job piamba verbi kamba reconjugué au past perfect. Formulir kariso muhandani hamas leçons handa amba on conjugue le verbe to have au passé simple plus le participe passé du verbe qu'on veut conjuguer. Right? So na para hamai kayo ngefanyao conditional 3 if clause yoka au past perfect. Alright? So main clause yoka would have plus le past participle. Ça veut dire would have plus le participe passé du verbe. Alright? So let's say an example. Example we have if I had seen you yesterday. If I had seen you yesterday, ça veut dire na katika tuhono jana, right? So if I had seen you, j'ai conjugué le verbe see, ça c'est le verbe to see. L'infinitif du verbe, ça c'est to see, right? So if I had seen you, donc seen, you know, le participe passé du verbe to see. So if I had seen you yesterday, na katika tuhono jana, I would have given you the result. So I would have plus le participe passé. To give, le participe passé du verbe to give, ça c'est given. Alright? So I would have given you the result. So how do we find this lesson? It's pretty amazing, right? So comprehensible. You have to understand because this is so important. And this is the sentence that you always use on a daily basis, alright? So basically today we will have to make sure that you memorize the lesson because this is so important, alright? C'est très important de mémoriser, de jouer. Parce que every day, tous les jours, on a if clause, main clause, même c'est comme si tu vas So that's the strategy. And another thing, alright? C'est another thing which is so important that you have to memorize and to make sure that you do not forget it. C'est très 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 important. Très important. Wami wana zono wangu leo nao naka amna devoir titiale soino wa manke ndongo ya mtu aba note même si phrase penge correct. C'est la virgule, right? Hamazi phrase ngala rangu ambisa if I drink coffee at night, virgule, I don't sleep well, right? So here if I see you with my daughter again, virgule, I will call the cops on you. So here we have if I had money, virgule, I would help you with your school fees, all right? So here we have, if I had seen you yesterday, virgule, I would have given you the result. Ok, na kazi kasono kujana ndio wazi resultat vojana, right? So c'est très important mwa jouer namna ya composer phrase zahi hamwe conditionnel, right? Yeah, c'est très important. Alright, I remember inside day 3000 what were you like, you know, I don't have if I had I will give you. Wamikia wangu wengo rumia for if I had I will give you. Ça c'est pas l'anglais ça. Adna katikana njobuba. No. If I had I would give you. So if I had money I would give you. Right? Mais pas I will give you. Il faut suivre bien les formules, c'est très important. Pour parler comme les Américains, être très professionnel, être natif. We have to make sure that you understand the lesson because it's so important. Right? That's more we learn the lesson. If you don't understand, you have to leave a comment that you didn't understand. Probably we shall see how we can manage it, right? Yeah, we'll take commentaire about it. That's so important. You have to understand, okay? That's one way to do it. Alright, so hopefully you really like the video, you enjoy the video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Make sure you like, you comment and you share. So naka, abonnez-vous parce que c'est très important. Abonnez, tournez la cloche aussi. Parce que à chaque fois, AMERICOM je poste, ça par les notifications. Et c'est très important. On va se manquer parce que j'ai l'impression même que ça va be anglais, right? So we have to gather and we go with the process, alright? Okay, so I shall see you in the next lesson. Peace.